Fogatti RV tankless water heater is an energy-saving water heater designed for the RV water system. Tankless design, easy installation, saving space. A separate digital touchscreen controller supports continuous water heating. It uses 100% American Standard connectors, and the service life is 2 to 3 times longer than other connectors.
Four compelling reasons why you probably want to make that switch from that big old tank. And the first one is space. That thing's a beast, and look how tiny these are hanging on the wall. Plus, you can put them on the outside of your house. If you're remodeling, you can easily get some space back. Number two, efficiency. These are like 95% thermally efficient. A lot of tanks are like 60% efficient. So a big savings on efficiency. The biggest reason though when I talk about tankless is gotta be endless hot water. Not running out of hot water. Who wants a cold shower? Nobody. When you've got a tankless, you're not gonna get a cold shower. And the fourth and the final reason, longevity. These guys are gonna get 2 decades plus service out of them. A lot of times after 10 years, you're replacing that tank.
This is Sojirushi's new VE hybrid water boiler and warmer. Made in Japan, this unit has all the bells and whistles that one would expect from a Sojirushi appliance. VE stands for vacuum electric. It uses vacuum insulation and a stainless steel double insulated wall to keep water hot. It uses less energy while boiling and maintains water temperature for an extended period of time. This green technology sets the VE hybrid water boiler apart from other models. The VE hybrid water boiler and warmer is a handy countertop kitchen appliance. Tea aficionados will appreciate the 4 keep warm temperature settings, and everyone can appreciate the ease and convenience of hot water at the touch of a button. The microcomputerized temperature control system maintains hot water temperatures of 208, 195, 175, and 160 degrees Fahrenheit, all of which are optimal temperatures for brewing different varieties of teas. For example, black and herbal teas brew best at 208, 195 is ideal for oolong and white teas, 175 for green tea, and 160 for delicate teas. The VE hybrid water boiler and warmer offers a multitude of new features, including the quick temp mode, which reaches 160, 175, or 195 degrees without boiling first, saving both time and energy. For example, using the quick temp mode to get to 175 degrees only takes 23 minutes versus 4 hours and 35 minutes in the regular mode. All of Sojirushi's VE water boilers have this vacuum setting, which turns the heater off and uses only vacuum insulation to keep the water hot. Other helpful features on this unit include an easy-to-read LCD panel that displays actual temperature at all times, and a panorama window water level gauge which allows the user to view the water level, so it's easy to see when it's time to refill. If the unit is empty, it will automatically shut off to protect against boil dry. A delay timer allows you to have hot water ready first thing in the morning. Simply fill the vessel, plug it in, and select from 6 to 10 hours. When it's time to serve, the unit makes dispensing simple with its one-touch electric dispensing system. Another feature is the cafe drip mode, which decreases the amount of water being dispensed by 60% of the normal setting, which makes it suitable for brewing cafe drip coffee. In addition, the base swivels for ease and convenience when serving. Available in 4 and 5 liter capacities, the water boiler has an easy-to-clean, non-stick interior and a clear-coated stainless steel exterior. Sojirushi. Inspirations from everyday life.
Tired of waiting for hot water to arrive at your tap? All that cold water running down the drain costs you money, and it's wasteful. A lengthy pipe run between the sink and the water heater causes a long wait for hot water. Stiebel Eltron's SHC mini tank easily puts hot water exactly where you want it, eliminating the wait. All you need to do is tap into the cold line and install the heater, offering you more comfort wherever you need it, even in a location that doesn't have hot water already. A mini tank eliminates the cold water sandwich that you may experience with some tankless units. The SHC mini tank's flat back makes it easily wall mounted. It can also fit under a sink, in a cabinet, or in a closet. The sleek German design of the SHC allows it to be installed out in the open and not change the aesthetic of the room. The SHC is available in 2.5, 4, and 6 gallon sizes. One of our units are sure to match your required demand. All of our units can be plugged into a standard 120 volt outlet. They don't require any special wiring. Simply plumb in the cold water, plumb out the hot, plug it in, and it's ready to go. Mini tanks like the SHC have lower standby losses than large tanks, and the SHC saves more energy with its superior insulation over any other mini tank. Because of the low power requirements and the ease of installation, the SHC mini tank can be installed anywhere, even locations you never thought needed hot water. Whether you're washing your hands or need hot water in places like guest bathrooms, commercial hand washing sinks, poolside patios, RVs, food trucks, boats, outdoor kitchens, utility sinks, trailers, or washing just about anything smaller than an elephant. The SHC mini tank is the versatile, reliable, built-to-last solution for hot water quickly, no matter where you need it.
Waiting for hot water at a sink located far from a primary heating source can be frustrating. Cold water from a sink is just not useful. Plumbing a hot water line to every sink in a home or business requires time and money. That's impractical. To get hot water where it's needed, when it's needed, a better solution is to use the Tronic 3000T from Bosch, a point-of-use electric mini tank water heater. The Tronic 3000T can supplement a primary water heater or be used under a single sink. In fact, the Bosch Tronic 3000T can be used for 3 different applications: as a sole water heating source for a single sink, as a supplement to an existing water heater located far from the source, and as a buffer installed in line with tankless water heaters that experience intermittent cold water or cold water sandwich. In any configuration, there is minimal standby loss from this mini tank water heater. There's no wait for hot water to arrive at a sink when it's needed. Tronic 3000T mini tank water heaters from Bosch are compact and can be wall or floor mounted. They fit easily under a sink in a cabinet space, and because they have a sleek and attractive exterior design, they blend in seamlessly with existing decor when installed in a visible location. Available in 3 space-saving sizes, the 2.7 and 4 gallon units have a simple 120 volt AC plug-in connection, while the 7 gallon unit, which can supply 2 sinks simultaneously, must be hardwired. To install, a professional simply taps into a cold water line, provides an electrical connection, and installs the mini tank water heater directly at the sink at point of use. The Tronic 3000T can be used at any sink where hot water doesn't exist or takes too long to reach. That includes a basement wet bar or patio kitchen station, a garage or attic, even in an RV or on a boat. No matter the application, with the Bosch Tronic 3000T, hot water will quickly be in hand, precisely where it's needed, saving time, water, and energy.